Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to HomeGoods. You guys seem to really enjoy these type of shop with me videos, so I'm taking you along with me as always. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And let's see what we can find today. I really love this hand-woven wicker basket. $29.99 is a little expensive, but I thought it would add a nice bit of texture to the room. Once again, I found some juju hats and this adorable little rose quartz on a stand. So cute. I found these pillows which were such a nice color, and they are reversible, so if you wanted to use the lighter side or the darker side, I think that the material was actually great quality, and $24.99 for a big pillow like this was actually a great deal. Something about this little chair was so cute. $2.99 was a little bit pricey, but in real life it was actually more of a mustard yellowy orange color, and it looks a little bit more gold in the video, but this was just so beautiful. HomeGoods had a lot of really unique furniture today. There was this beautiful emerald green couch, so if you have kind of more of a mid-century type of style, this would be perfect. This rug was absolutely gorgeous. I love the color, I love the pattern, and it is made in India, so great quality. $3.99, and this was actually ginormous. I fell in love with these wishbone bar stools. I've actually been wanting this style for a while, but they are a little bit pricey. $180 actually isn't too bad. I have seen more expensive, but the light wood gray color is just so beautiful. And these acrylic little bar stools, $129. These were so cute. If you have just kind of like a little countertop that you wanted to add these to, I think that would look so good. This gold little table stand, oh my gosh, I loved it so much. $59.99. And this one with the marble top was so cute as well, especially if you're into gold. This little side table was totally reminding me of the new Studio McGee collection at Target, which I think is really cute and has a nice shape to it. Something about this art piece I really loved. I loved the shape of it. This would look so nice above a bed if you wanted to add a little bit of texture to the room. This little couch was so nice. I loved the white Sherpa material, and for $199 I thought that was a pretty good price, especially for like a little office area or for a master bedroom. I thought that this was so beautiful. I really love these shelving units. This one was a smaller one for $129. And then they actually had a larger one, but I love the design and I loved the wood color. Larger one is $179. I think that this is really cute, especially to display decor and books and stuff like that. I think this would look really nice in a dining room as well, or a living room. I found this cute basket and I thought that this would be really nice to use as a hamper for a closet or even to put in the corner of the bathroom, and I loved the light color. It was so beautiful. Coming over to some of the fall decor, I really love this little blue glass pumpkin. I actually had it in my basket and then I put it back last minute just because it didn't really match the color scheme of my house, but they didn't really have too many other ones, honestly, that caught my eye. They were a little gaudy and a little too dramatic for my liking. This wreath with the little white pumpkins was actually kind of cute, but I'm not too big on wreaths for my door. I kind of like it to look just plain and modern looking. We are back, so let's go ahead and get into the haul. First thing that I got is this runner, which I am so in love with, and I cannot believe I found this because you won't believe the price. Okay, $19.99 for a runner. I feel like that is just a price you cannot beat. I love these colors. It totally is giving me fall vibes, so I couldn't pass it up. And this is made in India. It says it is hand woven. It's 24 by 72 inches. And I just cannot say enough because this is such great quality and such a great price. Next thing I got is this cute little pumpkin. This isn't for me, this is for my aunt. She is doing like pink fall decor this year, so I thought this would be perfect for like her little bathroom or even her kitchen. Honestly, I think this is just so cute, and it is like a wooden material, so that is really adorable. Next is kind of random, but this is a wooden paddle brush. I feel like wooden paddle brushes are usually pretty expensive. I have never seen them cheaper than $10, and this one was only $3.99, so I needed a good brush, and I kind of wanted something a little bit more aesthetic, something that, I don't know, isn't like a bright hot pink or something like that. So $3.99, not a bad price. Next is this adorable little crystal. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell how beautiful this is on camera, but oh my goodness, it's on this cute little stand, and I've actually been looking for a cute crystal to put on my office desk, and this is the perfect size. It's not too big and it's not too small, and this was only $16.99, which I thought was a really great price. Last but not least is this little shelving situation here. I got this for our bathroom, so we actually have like a space between our wall and our vanity, and I've been looking for like a perfect shelf to put in between just so we could put stuff, because right now we have just like a basket on the floor and I put like my blow dryer, my straightener, and stuff like that. So I figured that this would be perfect. Hopefully it fits. We could put our cleaning stuff and then like my blow dryer, straightener, and just kind of extra whatevers. But this was $39.99, and it's this really pretty light wood color. And yeah, I think that it's just perfect. Hopefully it fits. So that is it for the haul. I really didn't get too much. They did have a lot of beautiful furniture, but I wasn't really in the market for furniture today. Yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the post notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, my loves.